out of here.
Rest piece of bankroll, showing how to do it. Baby going crazy, he been getting straight to it. I done caused him many fights, and end up on the stories.
Okay, I got this one. I got it. You got it? Yeah, I got this one.
Arriving passengers may be met at bay.
Here's the whip for the week. Here we are at our what's it called? Our quarters for the weekend. Come on in.
Thanks, Carson.
MVP.
Carson, we love you. All right, we're gonna get a little first look here. Oh wow.
This is a very nice room. We're live. Carson, we're live.
I'm gonna go destroy this bathroom right quick.
You never know what's around the next corner.
So it's now day 2. Sorry I didn't really do a whole lot of talking yesterday. We were just kind of settling in, exploring. I'm gonna try and do some more talking and updates today. But we were just cruising a little bit downtown and we just went ahead and parked, and we're going to check out this little area. I'm not really positive what it is, but there's like a bunch of lights and screens on the roof. But then later today we're going to an aquarium. We just walked into this building to find a restroom, and this is what we find. Huge aquarium. That's awesome. It's a bar, as you can see. The only bar I would go to. Let's go get a closer look. Look at these little, look at the horn on this guy. What kind of fish is that with the horn? Look at this one has a nose. Oh, there's a school up here. These are some cool fish. I've never seen like any of these. Wow. That little tube going through the middle is a water slide. So you can like see into it.
Are you, oh my God.
Yeah, that water slide goes through it. Cool. Lots of little shops, lots of homeless people, a lot of people trying to con you out of your money. And obviously casinos everywhere. Literally pretty much every building has a built-in casino. Lights everywhere, it's lit.
Oh no.
Oh snap. Oh snap.
Snap, he's coming after him.
Beat it in, beat it in.
Finished up walking around downtown Vegas. We cruised on over to Monterey Bay, Shark Reef. See you inside. We out here, Shark Reef Aquarium, Las Vegas. Just look at this place. How magical.
Hi, how's your vacation going?
Pretty good, thank you.
Great. Where are you visiting from?
St. Louis.
St. Louis. I've been there a lot. I'm originally from Peoria, Illinois.
Really? Cool. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Here we go. We're heading into the temple. What I like to call Carson's castle. We got some gators, some big old crocs. Very nice. Some little fishies in there. Looks like some rainbow fish in the water. I'm pretty sure. Very cool. We got some African cichlids. None that I recognize. Is this a Komodo? Yeah, boom, I knew it. It's the world's largest and I believe deadliest lizard. And big old snake. I don't know my snakes. Pretty nice
It's a
one though.
ball python.
It is?
Yeah, I think so.
I knew that. Massive red tail, massive pacu.
Oh my God.
Massive amounts of fun here at the Vegas Aquarium.
Right over there.
We got wild kids. So you want to stay as far away from these as possible. That's that could eat a child. Then we got some rays. Just to put in perspective, guys, that thing is probably 4.5 feet at least. Are they fully grown?
With the exception of a few small ones, like that one down there. That one's still growing. All those ones are full grown.
Are these some kind of tetra?
Yep, they're bucktooth.
Bucktooth. Jeez. Man. So ain't good. What a massive thing.
Look at that.
Got a little lionfish tank over here. Look at that. He's missing an eye.
Oh my. It's like sandpaper. It's like,
Really? Oh, he's slimy. Oh, this guy's like sandpaper. Yeah, some of them are slimy. That one over there is burying himself. Oh, I want to touch this guy. We got Big City coming in. Oh, wow. He's like hard. That's weird. What do these guys feel like? Are these like shells? Yeah, they're like shells.
One finger, please.
One finger.
Close your hands up.
Okay, they cruising. Got a big old ray tank over here. Wow. And right behind us, jellyfish tank.
One finger, please, everybody.
Got some like giant starfish right here. Oh wow, these are all starfish. This area is like under a pirate ship. Oh my, the teeth on that thing. We just left the Reef Aquarium here in Las Vegas, and I gotta say, it was pretty good. It for sure has the St. Louis Aquarium beat. This one I feel like there was a lot more tanks. An overall rating, yeah, I'd say around an 8 out of 10, pretty good. Professional aquarium ratings here. So I don't know what we're gonna do next. I think we're gonna go get some food. All right, so it's way later in the day. We just came down the street to a mini golf place. Just check this place out. It's absolutely sick. Me and Miles duking it out. Are you? But anyway, this is like a twilight zone. Oh my God. Lawson lining up the shot here on hole 7. Drains it. It is day 3. Right here is the headquarters for that show Tanked. A lot of you guys probably watched that, where they make the giant crazy custom aquariums. The sign is gone. You can still see the imprint because they're like moving locations right now. Pretty cool though. Now we're about to go get some breakfast. See you later. We just ate some breakfast here at this hotel that we're not even staying at. And there's also a bowling alley, so you know we here. I'm trying to redeem myself from last night. Miles beat me in mini golf by 3 strokes, but I'm gonna go ahead and annihilate him in bowling. Here we go. Ooh, this guy has no idea what he's doing. No idea.
nice.
Oh, the split.
Let's see what he can do. Oh, just misses. Yes, sir. Spare City, baby. not the shot Lawson wants in that situation. Oh, whoa, what the?
Yeah, this game's over.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough.
This Bass Pro got a moat. Wow. This is what our backyard's gonna look like. It's probably a couple 8-pounders. Massive sturgeon. Jeez, he's a little scratched up. This is definitely one of the better Bass Pro shops I've been to, other than the Pyramid. There's another tank over there and another waterfall. We're gonna head that way. There's another tank I didn't even see with a bunch of trout. We're gonna head down there for a closer look. Wow. Wow. Oh, there's fish in this one. Oh my God, look at that sturgeon. That's the biggest sturgeon I've ever seen. Did you see that unbelievably big sturgeon?
In here?
Yeah, look.
Holy moly. We probably got too big for the other tanks. They threw them in here.
That's incredible.
Look at all the money in there, bro.
All right, everyone make a wish down in the comments. I wish for 50K before the end of 2020. Got some massive rainbow trout. Fish is that?
I love the city.
Hold on to that. Let me tell you. We're just walking here along the strip, the Las Vegas Strip. Basically, for those of you that don't know, it's just lots of lights, lots of money,
Yeah, lots
of bad things going on.